I don't know if you can relate to me. It up to you. I mean, it came so easily, but time takes its toll. Man, my time away. So please don't go away. I'm begging you to stay. Oh, yeah. You're not away.
What's wrong with this picture? Welcome back to the channel. Streets and Peaks hasn't been around much this summer. Tore a couple discs in my back, so it hasn't been the greatest car season in the world. But looking forward to getting some things fixed today at Infamous Aero with Jesse. And if you're not following Infamous and the boys at YWC Locales, check it out. They've done all the aero work on my car other than the wing. But it's taken a beating. I ran this through the winter last year. If you haven't been following, this actually used to be a splitter across the whole front of my car, and I ripped it off in the snow. Canards looks super sick, but unfortunately I broke one of those. I'm not sure how I did that. So we're gonna get that taken care of. I've got full side skirts, which have actually been bomber. You know, in the winter, I drove my car all winter, obviously. Was high centered a few times, and these definitely saved my life. And then around the back, last thing, we started a diffuser when we first started working on the car. Basically, we're just got a piece in for fitment, make sure my clearance was okay. It was a little bit lower in the beginning, and I backed it into a 7-Eleven parking lot and broke it off. So we're gonna get that taken care of and finally have a full aero kit. So thanks again for tuning in. I'm gonna drop my car today, and then we'll see the reveal later tonight. Let's go do this. Might need some more stickers. So in the meantime, quick update on 2019. Obviously didn't do a whole lot of work on the car as far as mods go, but I did do the full valve spring recall and replacement. I did mine. I've done a ton of work, and hats off to the guys at Country Hills Toyota in Calgary. Flawless execution. I did the valve spring replacement, and I did a service bulletin on the high pressure fuel system. So we replaced the high pressure fuel pump and the lines. I had that covered under my warranty, and so the whole repair and rebuild and everything only cost me $200. And noticeable improvement. My idle used to be a blipping all the time. I never had that chirping noise until right at the very end, but everything is cleared up now. Oh, better put on my seatbelt. And the car is running great, ready for winter. And this one, if you don't know, is a 2013 FRS, obviously with a few mods. But I just topped over 60,000 kilometers, so that's less than 10,000 kilometers a year. So I don't drive a whole lot, but this is my primary car. I drive it all winter, and still loving it. All right, let's go check out this Aero. Oh, please. Better slow down. Don't you love it when you wash your car and it feels super fast? It's like I just got a boost. I think there's like a 20 horsepower boost from car wash. Also in the news today, Paul Walker's birthday. Check out Paul Walker Foundation if you don't know about it. Their tagline is "Do Good." They're protecting ocean spaces, and this is a foundation that he started a long time ago. You can get some cool Paul Walker gear. Donations go towards the foundation, so great cause, and you know, you're spending money on hats anyways. Get a hat or a t-shirt from these guys and do some good today. Plan B. If you're not driving, you're riding. Had a great chat with Jesse at Infamous and Locals. Gonna get the FRS back in shape, get all the aero done today, and give you guys an update tonight. Always a pleasure working with these guys. They're super chill. If you need any work done, hit them up. I'll drop a link in here.
Wait for it. So sick. Jesse and boys at Infamous. Ridiculous. Check this out.